Welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today we're just going to do some chords. Alright, we're going to do a song made famous by Santana. It was probably one of his first. It was called Evil Ways. What's happening with this piece is we're going to use an A minor chord, and we're going to use a D chord, and we're going to use an E7 chord. Alright, now, A minor. Do we know this? We don't need to bring out the pictures anymore, okay? And if you're not sure, we did do a video of a chord library in the open first, second position, okay, on certain chords, all right? This one's definitely there, A minor, and you should know it. D chord, all right? Got a picture of that one? All right. And the next one, E7. All right, now, I'm not writing anything on the board, as you noticed. So we're saying, John, how am I going to play this? I don't have it. Well, you just, in the computer, you go boom, 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 Evil Ways, chords, and you'll have your choice of whatever, a whole bunch of things with lyrics, the whole 9 yards to the chords. All right? In other words, I'll show you a little bit how to play it, but you have to do the work now. And that's why we have the comments below. If you run into a problem, you let me know, and if necessary, I'd be more than happy to, blow it up more and say, okay, this, that, the other thing. All right, with this tune, the A minor and the D chord, each chord is going to get 2 beats in a 4-bar measure. All right. Another important thing for those that might not know the tune, when you punch it into the computer, all right, you could actually hear what it sounds like, and you'll hear the, I mean, they'll have a little bit of an arrangement, but for the vocal, it's this. I know you don't want me to sing, but I'll sing anyway. You gotta change your evil ways, baby. That's enough. Okay? And then when it gets to the part, we can't go on, that's the E chord. Now, that's all I'm going to give you in this. What you do, punch it in, get the chords to Evil Way, and you'll see. And in a lot of these chord sites, and what's really cool about that is that if it's in, let's say, a different key, there's usually a little box or an indicator on the side where you could change the key. So, and sometimes also they have the chord charts. All right. This case, this song is in A minor. All right. Let's see what you do with this. Okay, I'll be interested to hear from you. And again, I can help you, but you've got to teach yourself. I can only help, but you teach yourself. All right. Listen, thank you very much. If you like it, give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I look forward to your comments. Enjoy your day.